Hi everyone, let's see HTML links in this video. HTML links are also called as hyperlinks. In HTML, links are created using anchor tag. A means anchor. For example, for creating a link, use anchor tag. Inside anchor tag, we can provide the content. This content will be visible to the user. When the user click on this content, it will redirect it to another page or website. That redirection URL or page name we have to provide inside href attribute. Let's see practically. Let's go back to VS Code and see. Here in our index.html file, just created an anchor tag. Inside anchor tag, just provide a test content. Inside anchor tag, we have to provide href attribute. And inside that href attribute, just provide a google.com. When the user click on this link, it will redirect it to google.com. Let's go to browser and check. See our link. By default, anchor tag color will be blue and underlined. We can change this style by using CSS. CSS styles we will see in our upcoming video. Let's click on this link. See, it will redirect it to google.com. Here when we click on this link, it will redirect it in same tab. We can change this by using target attribute. Let's see. Here in this anchor tag, we didn't specify target attribute. By default, target attribute value is self, so that when we click on the link, it will redirect it in same tab. We can change that. If you want to open that redirection link in new tab, we have to specify target attribute value as blank. Let's give. Let's save. Let's go back to browser. Let's refresh. Let's click on this link. See, the link is opened in new tab. In target attribute, we can provide any one of these four values: self, blank, parent, top. Self and blank we already saw. Self is default, and parent and top will be useful when we use iframes in HTML page. Iframes in HTML we will see in our upcoming videos. And consider this is a HTML page. We created a frame inside HTML page. We created a frame 1 inside frame 2. Frame 2 is a parent of frame 1. And consider inside frame 1, we created an anchor link with a target attribute value as parent. So when we click on this link, the redirection will occur in frame 2 and replacing the content of frame 1 and frame 2. So if we provide the target attribute value as top means the redirection page will occur in top. It replaces the entire page content. Next, here we use text as link. We can also use an image as link like this. Inside anchor tag, we have to provide the image. When we click on the image, the redirection will occur. Let's go and see practically. And here in our index file, just added an image inside anchor tag. In our upcoming video, we will see image element elaborately. Here, just for showing an image link, I added an image. And here in our image element, we need to provide image path in src attribute. And note here, I didn't specify full file path. Logo.png file is residing in same folder of index.html file. See, both are in same folder. If image is residing in same folder of HTML file means we no need to provide full file path of image. Just provide the image name only enough. So when we click on this image, it will redirect it to google.com. Let's go to browser and check. See our logo. Let's click on it. See, it redirected successfully. Like text link and image link, we can also create a link for email and telephone. So when the user click on the link send email, the default mailbox of the system will open and the to address will fill with someone@example.com. Let's check it in browser. Let's click on send email. See, the default mailbox opened and to address is filled with the mail ID which we provide in our href. Like email ID, we can create a link for telephone call. When the user click on the link, a phone call will initiate to the number which we provide inside the href. Let's go to browser and check. So here I am using desktop browser. So when I click on call as link, the default calling app like FaceTime, Skype will open. Let's see, like this. If it is smartphone means the phone number which we provide inside href will open and ready to dial. And one more thing, title attribute in anchor tag will provide extra information to the user like this. Let's go to browser. Let's refresh. When the user mouse over the link, the information which we provide inside the title attribute will show to the user. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.